As always, welcome back to the FA Scat channel, guys. What we have today is going to be two things that I feel should come with the Scat Pack Widebody already. All right, let's open the first one up. All right, and this is going to be by Phantom Speed Parts. As you guys can see here, in case you guys want to grab yourself a custom one for yourself. But what I'm talking about is a red key. I feel like the Scat Pack should already come with a red key. And boom, here we have a red key, guys. FA Scat. But let's open the other one. All right, here's the box. What we have here is going to be an ABS cover. I don't know why they don't already include this in the Scat Pack. I know they included it in the Hellcat. So yeah, I went ahead and purchased one for myself to make the engine bay look a lot cleaner. But let's open this up. All right, you have your ties right here to hold it down. And then here is your ABS cover. Boom. All right, the first thing we're going to start off with is going to be this red key right here. What we have to do is basically take our old key, transfer the insides to the inside of this key in order for everything to function. All right, take that key out. Grab my other key. We're gonna open this. The way you open this is right here. There's a little space for you to insert your key. You're gonna insert it sideways and then just pry like that. And bam, the key is gonna open right away. Same thing with this one. This one's already open. All right, the first thing we're going to transfer over is going to be the battery. Positive side, it goes down. Just like that. Now we're going to take the inside. There's going to be a clip right here. Just make sure you're careful not to break the chip when you're pulling this out. All right, once you guys take this out, you're going to transfer over to this key right here. Push down. Once you got that pushed down, it's nice and secure. You're all done here. Hit the panic button by mistake. There we go. It's nice and sealed now. And there you have it. Awesome. Bam. All set. Now let's move on to the car so we could put on the ABS cover. All right, guys, so here we have our ABS cover. The two clips right here. It comes with a zip tie because as you can see here, there's a cable that runs right here to the power right here on this fuse box. And what that zip tie is going to do is basically hold down to the cables while it holds down the ABS cover as well. So let's remove that first. I don't think previous gen Scat packs had this cable here. I'm not sure if it's just a 2020 thing or maybe even just a wide body thing. Alright, that's one. Alright, and that's two. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut this right here since we're gonna be reusing our new zip ties or our new where is it? Right here. As you can see, basically this connection is literally the same right here. Yeah, just like that, same thing. It'll wrap around the cable, come through here, and then you cut that off. But this time you'll see the, I don't know if I should just reuse these. I'll probably just reuse these guys right here. Should be the same thing, so let's do that. Let's try to reuse those. Maybe we can just flip this up. Oh, so you don't have to actually take it all the way. You just need to bend it up a little bit and it'll stick up there. All right, let's try this again. Wrong hole. Yeah, we'll go in just like that. This is easy, guys. So once you guys have that in there, you just take your cables back and then just push your pins back in there. Got one down. Got two down. And just like that, we have it, guys. As you can see, it gives the car a nice clean look in the engine bay. Let me give you guys a better look right there. Overall, it gives it a nice look. And I don't know why they didn't include it in the Scat pack. As you can see, it even has the wires and the clips there ready to go, just like the Hellcat does. So I don't know why Dodge didn't include that on there. But that is it for that. Let me close this up real quick. All right, and there's the car again. But now let's start it out with the red key that we have here. that is it, guys. Like I said, I feel like they should have included a red key with the Scat Pack wide body, as well as that ABS cover. Two little simple things, but those little things could go a long way. Of course, you can see that the engine bay looks a lot cleaner from what I showed you. And then it would be really convenient if they included a red key. I know, obviously, it's not going to unlock any horsepower in the Scat Pack like the Hellcat, but it would be convenient if you could program this key, or to have the red key to automatically go in your car and have track or sport mode turn on just because you have the key. That'd be really convenient, especially if you go into the track, or if you're just wanting to go fast. Those modes will be automatically up there. All right, but that is going to be all for this one, guys. I appreciate you like always. Thank you for your support. Thank you to my new subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. As you can see in this channel, we got mods coming back to back to back. So stay tuned, as I got more for you here shortly. All right, see you guys next time. Peace.